Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. If you want to share something just for a moment without leaving a digital trace, this is the perfect trick for you. Let's dive right in. First, open Telegram and select the chat where you want to send the disappearing photo. It can be any conversation, a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Now, next type on the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip at the bottom of your screen. This will open up your gallery, where you can choose the photo you want to send. Scroll through your gallery and pick the photo you want to send. Got it? Great. Now, don't hit send just yet. Before you send the photo, tap on the clock icon. Here, this is where the magic happens. You then set a timer for how long the photo will be visible. If you want it to be seen only once, choose that option without a duration. That is written view once. Or if you want to select the duration you prefer, it can be a few seconds, a minute, or longer. Once the recipient sees the photo, it will disappear after the time you set. And I am setting view once and I'm sending, and that's it. Your photo will now disappear after it's viewed. This is a great way to share moments without leaving any digital trace. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.